Okay, I have got biked out. I've got my hat strapped on. I got my glasses on. We're going to go over and try to check out where I may be able to take a photo for the Milky Way over the Rio Grande. So I'm going to be riding the bike down there. It's about 2 miles away, 3 miles away. So let's get on the bike and check it out. All right, it's been a while. I got water in my... Oh, goodness sakes. I don't know what we're set on here. Oh, how are we? We're on no pedal assist. Pedal assist 1. Oh, yeah. Let's just motor on over there. How are the tires, dude? We got the Rio Grande Trail. Make sure my hat's on tight. Oh, I guess we can't drive out here. They can, but we can't. I'm not good enough to go through here. Just barely. Oh, come on. Oh. All right. Deep canyons, steep drop-offs. Oh, good. Snakes. This bike has no suspension. Kind of like my old BMX. Maybe we'll see a tarantula. This looks like a gully over here. Get on the road. So Canyon Rim Trail goes over to Pecos, not Pecos. The canyon we were in where we were looking at the petroglyphs, and it runs down, it connects to the Rio Grande, but we're going to go down here and check out a viewpoint and then the Rio Grande area, which will overlook Panther Cave, and then we'll come back up the rim and come out right here, I guess. It's Texas. Alright, and Mexico. Deer were just bedding down over here. We scared them away. One went this way. It's so muddy. At least we don't fall. Oh my God. The front tire is stuck because there's so much mud in it. Oh my God. What a mess. Oh my God. Are you over there laughing at me? I hear you laughing. Okay, let's sling some mud. Maybe we'll go a little slower. Picking up rocks, dragging them through there. Gotta get rid of some of that mud. Okay. Oh, there's more deer over there on the other side of the fence. You see them? No more mud, please. Here. There was something back there that went up. As long as my bike don't fall apart, I'll be okay. I think. Stand the smooth stuff. Canyon Rim Trail. Panther Cave overlook. So this should connect to that on another trail. Whoa! We're moving. Oh my God, really nice. Nice and smooth. There's there's a bench up here. You don't run over a cactus either flat. My guess is this is the overlook. The Rio Grande looks very full of trees. That's a trail. Rode that one off to the left up here. Let's get back there. I do get gear again. I get to the canyon and trail. Excuse me. Don't want to get poked by a gigantic cactus. This will smooth out. What do you think? It's been a while since I've done this. Where is this going? Where are you taking me? This is definitely a trail. Right? Yeah, there's a marker. Oh, sorry, lizard. Oh my god. Yeah. Is that the right way? That's the wrong way. I want to go up. There we go. Oh, scratch me. Where in the heck am I going? Oh, there's some water over there. Not much. Oh shit! This stupid bike is split in half. Holy god. Kidding me? I didn't bring any zip ties. That's safe. I think they should give me a freaking new bike. You guys got shit all over you. Or I mean, well, this ought to be interesting now that I have a bike that's gonna keep separating. It felt like mud. The back of the bike was sliding over to the side. No, it was the bike was split in half. I'll have to call them again. More mud. Oh, that is filthy. Oh, that looks sharp. I think I'm gonna have to walk up here. I see stairs and mud. Prickly pear cactus. Oh, good lord. I slipped on the mud. Hi, centipede. That was fun. Don't worry, I'm okay. There's Mexico. Oh, there's some horses over there. Him. Mexican horses. Maybe we should have stayed on the main road. It said there was a trail. Oh, look. freaking bike split in half again. God. The bike split in half here. Riding it out here. Which way does this go? Okay. Don't fall apart. Like. Stairs. Oh, God. Whoa. Oh, shit. Broken down again. Oh, I love this bike. I love it. I need a couple more. Oh, look. Shuts off every time because the battery went up. Hey, Lectric. How about you fix this for me? I think this is the Panther Cave Overlook. You made it all around. You can only get to it by a boat. Wow, that's quite the length of stuff there, isn't it? I don't see any vegetation. It's probably overgrown. Let's go walk down here. What'd that sign say back there? Watch out for snakes and steep cliffs, big drops. Pretty. Survey marker. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. I think we're gonna head back. Don't want to follow the canyon rim trail. Common sense says no. Not today. Maybe it's not meant to be ridden on rocks. Oh, it's hard again. It's getting worse. That's cool. Alright, just get it back to the camera. Please. Hold that in. I don't think any of these. Let's take a look on this bike and see what's on it. None of these. Those don't come off. Just leaked. I got instead of wearing a belt, this thing goes between two loops. Maybe that'll work. Let's fix that. Alright, little buckle thing. Hold it together for me, please. What was that noise? Okay. Oh shit. Shoot. You're staying in the grass, maybe. I wonder how many other people this happened to. I was looking at it. Oh my god. I wonder how far this goes. Left or right? We're not staying on the trail, guys. Jackrabbit. Go, Jackie. You can definitely outrun me, buddy. My back will fall apart. Oh, shoot, it's still mud. Oh. Alright. There we go. That was a big puddle. Oh. I see a campers. Look on that ridge. The mile marker. Well, there's campgrounds or a mud hole. You can go around this way. Whoa, this is frightening me just as bad, right? Hey, Look. Oh, Mr. Jackrabbit. Muddy, sandy, rocky, giant anthill. You're shaking the brains out. 2 hands, Jared, 2 hands. See, I'm not the only one that was biking out here. They did it when it was really squishy. Right here. This is into the primitive campsites. It looks like they got them set up. Another Mr. Jackrabbit. Oh, look at him go. There we are. Experience. They've got to experience this one. Oh, wait. Now, they've got to experience this one. Well, I guess that's it. I didn't kill myself. That's a good thing. I'm not going to be taking a photograph of the Milky Way up there. Here, I'm going to put camper in there. And we have the Milky Way going right over the top. Alright, that's it, guys. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See ya.